In this animation movie, we will talk about the Fibonacci numbers and the golden ratio and how they apply in art and the architecture. The term Fibonacci numbers refers to a sequence of numbers studied by a man named Leonardo of Pisa. Fibonacci was the nickname given to him. He did not create the sequence, but he introduced it to Europe. This sequence follows a simple rule. In order to get the value of the next number, you need to add the two preceding Fibonacci numbers. For example, the first two numbers are 0 and 1. 0 plus the 1 equals 1, which is the next number in the sequence. Written as a rule, the expression is xn equals xn minus 1 plus xn minus 2. The Fibonacci numbers occur in the sums of shadow diagonals in Pascal's triangle. An approximation of the golden spiral created by drawing circular areas connecting the opposite corners of squares in the Fibonacci tiling. This size is 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 30, 21, and 34.
The golden ratio is a special number approximately equal to 1.618. It appears many times in geometry, art, architecture, and other areas. We find the golden ratio when we divide a line into two parts, so that the whole length divided by the long part is also equal to the long part divided by the short part. The digits just keep on going with no pattern. In fact, the golden ratio is also known to be an irrational number. You can calculate it yourself by starting with any numbers and following these steps. First, divide 1 by your number. Second, add 1. Third, that is your new number. Start again at the first step. Then you can get closer and closer. To draw a golden rectangle, first, you have to draw a square of size 1. Place a dot halfway along one side. Draw a line from that point to an opposite corner. Then turn that line so that it runs along the square side. Finally, you can get a golden rectangle.
What is the formula?
Here is one interesting fact about the golden ratio. It is also equal to 2 times sine 54 degrees. The rectangle shows us a simple formula for the golden ratio. When one side is 1, the other side can be represented by the formula below. The Fibonacci numbers and the golden ratio has also been used in art and architecture.
We will tell you about Fibonacci numbers and the golden ratio in arts and architectures. As one of the oldest buildings in the northern part of Rome, Parthenon is a representative ancient structure. The Greeks believed that the golden rectangle has a mathematical key to building and incorporate into many designs. With a perfect square, a line for the midpoint, and an arc, they create a bar which later called golden rectangle. The Greeks also found that the removed original square was left with a self-golden rectangle. Proof that the side lengths of square as A, the side lengths of rectangle as B. A equals to 13, B equals to 8. A plus B equals to 13 plus 8, and the result is 21. On the left side, A over B is equal to 13 over 8, which approximately equals to 1.62. On the right side, A plus B over A is equal to 21 over 13, which approximately equals to 1.62. Therefore, left side equals to right side. The ratio of A to B is equal to the ratio of the sum of these two to the longer side, so it's equal to ratio of A plus B to A.
As Leonardo da Vinci's famous work, Mona Lisa can be considered as a remarkable painting. In his art, Da Vinci examined the proportion of the human body of the golden ratio and golden rectangle. golden ratio in percentage of her head, the neckline, and her arms. The width of her face is very close to a golden ratio of the width of the canvas. And following steps will prove the golden ratio exists in Mona Lisa.